Content marketing is a powerful strategy that can help businesses build brand awareness, establish thought leadership, and drive customer engagement. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of content marketing and offer tips on how to create and distribute high-quality content that engages and informs your target audience. By creating and sharing valuable, informative, and relevant content, businesses can attract and retain a clearly defined audience and ultimately drive profitable customer action. Some benefits of content marketing include building trust and credibility with your target audience, increasing brand awareness and recognition, driving customer engagement and interactions with your brand, improving search engine rankings and driving more traffic to your website. To create and distribute high-quality content, here are some tips to keep in mind. Understand your target audience and their needs. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your business goals. Create diverse content formats such as blog posts, videos, infographics, and podcasts. Optimize your content for search engines. Promote your content on social media channels. Measure and analyze your content performance to make data-driven decisions for future content. By following these tips, businesses can create engaging and informative content that resonates with their target audience and ultimately drives profitable customer action. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on digital marketing and related topics.